up, besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene. You already know what it is. So we just gonna hop straight into the video. Y'all see by that thumbnail and that title, we gonna be making pepper steak. These are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna just be starting by cutting up some onions and some peppers. So first I'm gonna go in with the onions, and I'm just cutting them straight down the middle. I'm leaving them like the rainbow shape, I guess, whatever you want to call it. That's why I call it the rainbow shape, because it looks like a rainbow. So I'm leaving it like that. If y'all want them diced up, you can, but that's just the way I like to leave them. So after I cut that up, I'm gonna go in with the pepper, and I'm gonna just cut the top off, you know, where the seeds and stuff is at, and I'm gonna just break that apart, and then I'm gonna go in and start cutting up my peppers. And those I'm cutting up like cube like. You could, again, it's whatever you want it to be. So if you want to leave them longer, whatever, do what you want to do, but I'm cutting them up cubes, and it's no, you know, specific size. Like some are big, some are small. It don't really matter. It don't really matter, honestly. So yeah, after we cut up the peppers and stuff, I'm gonna, oh, and I did rinse my peppers off. Okay, I did rinse them off again. Also, after I got done cutting them up and put them all in the bowl, I rinsed them again and then seasoned them. And I used, we have like this table blend seasoning, and then this one is called vegetable seasoning by like Miss Dash. I put that on there as well, but I didn't show y'all that, so my bad. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do after I cut up the peppers and stuff, and then we're gonna get into the steak. So y'all tell me, what is y'all favorite meal to make, or what's y'all just favorite meal in general? And if y'all actually gonna cook this, y'all should really try it. And if y'all do, tag me and let me see how it turned out, and if y'all like it, cause it was good to me. But let me know in the comments y'all favorite meal. I want to try to make it and stuff, and I want to see if I could actually, you know, if it's the same way that y'all would make it, I guess you could say. But now we're gonna go in with the steak. I have this, I think it's like called steak tips. I can't remember. I think that's what it's called. But I'm just going in. I'm just cutting those up a little more because they come like cubed already. So I'm just cutting them up in like half so that they could be like finer and stuff. Because they was just a little too thick for me. And then I'm going to start seasoning them. And the seasoning that I showed y'all in the beginning, that's the seasoning I'm using on the steak. So we got some onion powder, garlic and herb, got some pepper, and then I have a steak seasoning. I forgot where we got this. I think it came from like, we had ordered a whole bunch of meat and stuff, and they like sent some seasoning. But now we gonna mix some flour and water, and that's to just thicken up your sauce. And then I got the butter in the pan already, and then we just gonna throw the meat in there, let it start cooking, and then we're gonna throw the vegetables in there too, so they all start cooking, getting all golden, and you know, start cooking. And then I'm gonna also put in some, what's it called, minced garlic. That's what it's called. Just add a little bit of that in there, put some extra flavor, and I use Insta rice. I don't see the difference. And now, yes, I'm going in with some soy sauce from the packs from the Chinese restaurant because I ain't feel like going to the store. I know y'all got some, so go ahead and use that. Don't be bougie. And I was just using that flour and water to thicken it up, and this is what it came out to be like. And it was really good. Let me know if you guys make. Alright, bestie, so let me know if you guys make it in the comments. Tell me how you like it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, supporting me, pushing me to know that you are always blessed in anything that you do, and God got you whenever you need him. Okay, see you guys in the next video.